Here is our Thanksgiving turkey on the cutting board, ready to be cut and served. I don't know what the heck he's doing. Total freak. Captain Penny, what are you doing? Man, he is just really getting into it. He's just like, I love the cutting board. I am the cutting board. I will taste the cutting board. He's such a freak. Whoop, whoop. Don't fall off the table. Are you done? He is so crazy. Oh, look, he's licking his paw. He's so cute. Are you having fun? You know I have to wash that now. Oh my god, he's a freak. Are you done? All done? Good job. Oh my god, I guess he's not done. I love the cutting board. Give me a hug, Mr. Cutting Board. Hmm. He is a total freak. All right, Captain. Say goodbye.